Are you someone who invests your own money on the stock market? And has this ever happened to you?
You're trying to decide if you should buy or sell a stock by reading the news, but everyone seems to have a different opinion. Half the articles are clickbait, so how are you supposed to know what articles actually matter? Too many articles, too many opinions.
And don't even get me started on Twitter.
But imagine a world where we could outsource the reading to computers and automatically detect only the most important trends and events worth paying attention to.
Could we track the mood of the entire market from a bird's eye view with the click of a button?
Well, we've done it. Introducing Babbl.
Babbl is a website that helps DIY investors navigate the noise of news by automatically tracking the mood, key trends, and events about every publicly traded company, making it easy to know what news is truly moving the market.
Current news analytics platforms are either too expensive or inaccurate and unreliable.
Babbl gives you the best of both worlds, giving you all the insight of the big trading firms at an affordable price.
So stop spending hours doom scrolling through the news and try Babbl today.